Now Claude starts producing real usable things, and there are two kinds. The first is downloadable files like Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoints, and PDFs. The second kind is interactive builds like pages and mini apps it creates right in front of you. Let's start with files. For my candle store, I'll say, create an Excel spreadsheet to track my candle inventory. Columns for product name, scent, cost to make, selling price, profit margin calculated, and stock. Fill in 8 example candles with realistic numbers and send it. And after a minute, here you can see it came up with a spreadsheet. Let's click the full screen expand button to see the full thing. And that's a real spreadsheet with working formulas that you can open in Excel. If you click the download button, you can get the actual Excel file for it. It does the same with Word documents and presentations. For you, this might be a budget, a resume, a lesson plan, or a report for work. If the file takes a few minutes to generate, that's totally normal. It's actually building it. Now let's look at the second kind, artifacts. Ask Claude to build something visual, and it opens a window next to the chat and builds it live. I'll show you. First, let's open a fresh chat. And then we'll say, create a simple, beautiful landing page for Amberlight candles. Warm colors, a headline, 3 featured candles in it, and an email sign-up section. Here it begins to think. You can see it loads something called front-end design skill. I'll explain skills a bit later in this video. And it begins to build an HTML page. And after a minute, you can see it built the web page on the right side. Let's go ahead and expand to see the full thing. Right away, what stands out to me is that it has this beautiful color combination that I asked for, and it even added a little candle flicker animation here up top. You can see it moving around randomly. We can scroll through to see more details. It has some placeholder images for candles. But overall, this is a really good starting point. Let's go ahead and collapse the full size. And then let's ask for some changes. Let's say, make the background cream and the headline bigger. And if we scroll to the top here, we can see it changing in real time. Now let's throw one wild card at it. We'll say, now turn it into a scent quiz that recommends one of our candles. Let's see how it does with that. All right, and this one took a little bit longer, but now we have this hero section of the landing page that says, take the quiz, or we can scroll down to see it. And here we have the actual scent quiz. So let's click through it. Where's this candle burning? We'll say, in the kitchen, no particular reason. What note pulls you in first? I like wood smoke. And pick the evening. Walk home with sand still on your feet. All right, and it matched me to a candle. Then I can click the button to actually shop this candle. You can keep talking to Claude like a designer sitting next to you, and you can push it way past where you might think it stops. So here's your challenge for this level. Ask Claude to build one small tool for your life. It could be a budget calculator, a workout planner, or a quiz for your friends. Whatever it builds for you will be different from mine, and that's the whole